Hello my precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about this makeup look which I do for everyday purpose, and trust me, it is real quick, I tell you, because in hustle bustle of everyday life, come on, let's admit it, no one has ample of time every day to just sit and do makeup for hours and hours on a daily basis. So I am here to show you how I do this look in order to look presentable every day. That would definitely boost your confidence. So if you want to know how I did this look, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi. I am the Sassy Leovan, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Alright, I am freshly done with my skincare and now I am using sunscreen as my primer. Now I am not using the 3-finger rule to apply my sunscreen because the sunscreen I am using tends to scrape off the underneath skincare. Isliye I try to use it as less amount as possible. So yeah, and why am I not throwing it away? Because I don't like to throw my skincare products. So yeah, that is the reason. I will be applying blush. Now मैं ऐसे blush apply क्यों कर रही हूँ? Because let me tell you guys, my everyday makeup is literally full of hacks and hacks. Okay, because every day we are always in a hurry. So yeah, this is how I take my blush, rub it, warm the product up between my hands and do this. And whatever is left, I just apply it on my nose and my chin area. I will let this blush set for a few seconds and tab tak I will be doing my brows. And this is how I do my brows every day. This makeup is going to be real quick and I do it every day in literally 10 minutes, I tell you. Taking this Q-tip and I am just removing whatever excess product is there. Okay, within seconds our eyebrows are done. Taking the blush brush and just diffusing our blush properly because patchy blush doesn't look good. And don't worry if it's overpowering. Up camera pe it is not looking that overpowering and blush blindness nahi dikh rahi hai, but in real life it is thoda zyada. But we don't need to worry because next time apply karenge a powder foundation. I do this every day because it saves time to first apply concealer and then apply a compact. I set my face. And the benefit of using powder foundation is that it gives you a bit of coverage also and it sets our face too. And whatever is left on the sponge, I am just dabbing it over my blush to set it. And see, blush blindness kam ho gayi, right? You might be thinking that I didn't apply powder foundation on my neck. So no, we are not going to ignore our neck and our ears. We are definitely going to cover them. Dun dun dun. Whatever is left, I'm applying it on my ears and yeah. Now it's time for the mascara. We will be applying a thin layer of mascara by wiggling our lashes. Okay, ruined it. Okay, we will let it dry and then we will clean it. सारे mishaps आज ही होने हैं. Same mascara on my lower lashes as well. On a daily basis, I don't curl my lashes and then apply mascara. It is too much of a task for me. Done with our mascara. I am taking contour brush and हम हल्का सा contour कर लेंगे. I was not a contour girly, but आजकल I am feeling कि contour is also important. So yeah, I do that. बहुत heavy contour तो no, I don't do. I just do this. Then I pinch the brush and whatever is left I do this and this. I make a lot of faces while doing makeup. I guess everyone does, so it is not a big deal, I feel. Oh, ये तो rhyme हो गया. Very nice. Moving to the last step, that is lips. And lips फॉर मी आर वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन माई मूड कि मुझे कौन सी लिपस्टिक लगानी है. वैसे तो मेजरली आई जस्ट अप्लाई अ टिंटेड लिप बाम एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. But today I will be applying lipstick from this lip palette. I think we should go with pink today. We'll be just dabbing it onto our lips so that it would give a hint of color. And on a daily basis, I don't use any kind of a brush. I just use my finger only because I am always in a hurry. So yeah. Now for the one last thing, what I do is I take aloe vera gel, just a tad bit, rub it between my fingers. Then I take a spoolie, pick aloe vera gel and just brush my brows in order to set them. That's it. This step is completely additional. If you don't want to set your brows in place, you may not go for this. But I have really long brows, not bushy but long, okay? So I like to do this step to set all of the hairs in place because सरप्राइजिंगली मैंने आज तक कभी थ्रेडिंग नहीं करवाई है. एंड विद दिस वी आर डन. दिस इज हाउ द लुक टर्न्ड आउट. इजंट इट सो सिंपल? लुक्स वेरी एलिगेंट, स्टाइलिश, प्रेजेंटेबल एंड इज रियल क्विक. If you are a working woman, corporate girly or a government job person, you may definitely go for this look because this is really natural. एंड किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा दैट हैव मेकअप ऑन. इफ यू वॉन्ट यू मे डेफिनेटली एड थोड़ा सा ग्लैम बाय एडिंग अ विंग्ड आईलाइनर. बट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस आई डोंट अप्लाई विंग्ड आईलाइनर. बट उसके लिए भी मैंने काफ़ी सारे हैक्स शेयर किए हैं टू अप्लाई विंग्ड eyeliner within 10 seconds. And with this we come to an end of today's video. If you like such kind of videos and if this video helped you, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.